Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shayan Khan and today we will learn about if else statement. So let's start. If I say a is equal to 10 and then I write bool a, it will tell me true. If I say b is equal to 20 and then I write bool b, it will print me true. But what if I say a is equal to 19? A here is 10, it's not 19, so it will tell me false. The same as if I say a is greater than or equal to 100, which is not equal or greater than 100. It is just equal to 10. So if I run, it will show me false again also. You see here. So this is how true and false you can slice code when we will write, and you can check also. Now before starting here, I want to teach you something about and or. If I say true and false, answer will be false. If I say false and true, answer will be false. If I say true and true, answer will be true. If I say false and false, answer will be false. So anyone here, one is true or the other is false. But if any one here or here is false, you see, so answer will be false. But instead of this, if you look at or, if I say true or false, answer will be true. It's opposite. If I say false or true, answer will be true. So the same, true or true, false or false, answer will be false. So now let's do this in the code way, these two, and we will check now how it works. Let's say let's suppose I say a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and then I say if a is greater than b, print me it's suppose I say here if a is less than b, it's correct. Here what I have done, I give a variable name a and b and I assign them value, and if a is less than b, a is 10 and b is 20, so a is of course less than b, so print me this. It say it's correct. If I say a is greater than b, yeah, if I suppose I will also write here else print, it's not correct. If a is less than b, it will print this. If a is not less than b, it will print this statement. So if I say a is greater than b, so now what you will see that it will print this one. How this work now? Let's see. First I give a statement, a condition, if a is greater than b. Here a is not greater than b, so computer ignore this statement. Then it jump to else, then it print this one. If I make it is less than, as before you have saw that if I make this is less than b, so the computer find it true, the statement is true, so it print this one is correct. So it's like this. Now we will see this in another way. I want to the computer ask me enter my name, first name or last name, and then we will see how the code work in that, and we will use and or in that. So let's see. If I say suppose first name is equal to uh, uh, input first name, what it mean input? I told you before in the video that input is used when we want the computer ask us enter a first name. Yeah, you will see now. Last name is equal to input last name. Here I will write a statement. If first name is equal to Cheyenne and last name is equal to Khan, column print your name is correct. I use the input function now. That the input function will show me like this, will ask me enter your first name. So if I write here anything, it will display in here. Let's suppose enter your middle name. Yeah, here connect, you see it come here middle. So I just want to show you that why it show only first name like that. So when we run it, my kernel is dead again and again. Let me restart, and then I press the run button and I say Cheyenne. Here what I have given, first name is equal to Cheyenne and last name equal to Khan. So this is true. I type here correct. Yeah, so this will become true. And last name Khan, if I write Khan correctly, it will display me your name is correct. But here, as I have before told you that let's say in here, if one is true and other is false, it will show me false. Yeah, but in that scenario we give both correct, so it show correct. Now let's make one true and one false. So we will check that in this way. Now here I will run this again. Now I will give wrong. Okay, this one give Cheyenne true, and this one I will give wrong. So see what will happen. My kernel is dead, sorry. It typed the same, it show me the same, it did not show me any print here or anything else. Now I will give else here. If I write else, now it will show. It's dead again. I don't know what's wrong, the internet is slow. Here I give else. So now if I say first name is this, last name is this, and I put and, so true and true, if both I give the same, it means it is true, and it will display this. So I want to give one false, Cheyenne, I give true, and this I will give false. So it come to this else statement. Here what computer did is it check that Cheyenne is true and the other is false, Khan. Yeah, So here the condition not become true, so it jump in here and execute this statement. If suppose I give both true, so of course it will, the condition will met here true, and it will print this one here. Let me show you Shayan and then Khan, so it become true, it show me this one. Yeah, now if I say here or, yeah, or, now in or we have saw that 1 and 0 is equal to 1, 1 or 0 is equal to 1, means true or false equal to, it will be true. So if I give in this true, this one Shayan, the same, or Khan, I give this both, so both are true, answer is true, so it execute this cell. If I give one true and other false, the other one I will give false, so true or false is true, so it will print this one here. This is how it work. And or like there is very little difference, not so big, all you need to understand it a little bit, and it's easy. You can try to do coding in this way, give different examples by yourself, and it's not that much hard. Now we will learn while loop. So I will give here a heading while. It is very interesting, the while loop and for loop. So before I start this, I want to show you how actually what is while loop. So if you see here, a loop means something. If you are in a circle and you start from here, and you will go again and again and repeat this, you are in a loop. It means you are repeating something. If this is a line and infinity, and you start from here, you will just go on the same direction, so you are in a loop. If this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah, if you start from here, computer will check here, and then it will check here, and then here computer will go like this, yeah, one another like this it will go. If I say him to stop here, I control the loop, so 1 2 3 4 5, I will say stop at 5, so the computer will come here, it will see in the loop the two number, yeah, second point, third point, it will add one point, and then it will go in a loop. So I must give a condition to, or control to stop it, otherwise it will again print and print and print, it will keep go on printing something. I will show you this. And if I say stop it here, then the computer will only print this and it will stop. So let's say in the code now how to do this. If I say suppose a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now if I say while loop, I will use while, it become green, it means is a built-in keyword, and it have a function. If while a is less than b, you see a is less than b, a is 10 and b is 20, yeah. So I will say print yes, and I will give here count is equal to 1, count is equal to I will give here count is equal to count plus 1, and I will give it if count is equal to 4, let's say, then I will say break the loop. So when I run it, you will see what's the spelling is count. Count is not defined. Yeah, count. Count. Let me define the count here. So if count is equal to 1, so you see here what actually happened. I put a variable here with the name a and 10, and I assign value b 20, and I say count 1. If now here I say while a is less than b and print me yes, so a is less than b, so it is true, the computer want to print yes, but how many times it want the computer want to print. So then I say every time you jump 1, add 1 more plus 1, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. But then if 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which become 4, then you stop there. So the computer stopped there, and it did not show me the fourth one because that was the 3 plus 1, the fourth. So it print me 3 times because I give here the count 4. Now let me make this 8. Now this will print 7 times. If I run it, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is how the while loop work actually, that you assign a value to a variable, and then you control the loop by yourself. If I write here, suppose it will go to infinity, I have told you, yeah. If I write this if outside of this, so the computer will only execute this code because this become true to the computer. The if is outside of the block. If I put the if here, then it is all the one block, but now it is outside, so the computer will print again and again and again. It will print yes to me because the computer start while a is less than b, 10 is less than 20, yes, print yes. And I say add every time you count 1 0 plus 1, then add 1, then add 1, then add 1, then add 1. So it will keep go on printing to infinite level. So that's why I use this count, and I put this if in here within this block. So if I let me show you, if I run it, you will see a lot of yes now, and it will keep go on till I close the kernel. You see now this start, you see here it is typing too fast, that this arrow is, you see it is too fast, you see it going up by itself, so the computer is too much fast typing it. So I have to put this inside, and this usually make problem in the computer. So it when you put the if inside, so it will be considered as one block, but if you put it outside, then the computer will execute till to here, you know, because this statement is true already, so the computer find it true. And it we did not mention, suppose if we do not mention, so it will keep go on thinking that this is true, and I will print again and again like a robot, yeah. But I put here a condition down, so when it become true, and the computer will print this, and it will come here because this is the same block, so it will also see in here. When the computer see this break, it will stop to you, So if I say, suppose if I say 3, so it will write 2 times. If I say 5, it will write 4 times. So this is how the while loop works. I hope you understand this very well, and you can also play around with this. If I say a is, suppose I say a is greater than b, so this is false. Yeah, a is not greater than b. A is 10 and b is 20, so 10 is not greater than 20. But if I run this, so it will not work. It will not work if you put here a wrong thing, a wrong statement. Yeah, so you have to write the correct statement here, and then the computer will execute it in the while loop. So this was enough for today, and thank you for watching. Have a good day, and take care. Bye. Thank you.